Let's take a look at finding a sample variance using the Excel version 16. So I put in my numbers. I got 2, 8, 11, 17, 25. And over here I'll just give it a description, sample variance. Now again, sometimes it's not so easy to figure out what your formula should be. So I can click this FX here, and if your category doesn't already say statistical, probably says most recently used. But if you do the drop down and you choose statistical, then if you scroll down through them, you see all the ones available. Specifically, the ones we're wanting is var.p and var.s. The S refers to sample and the P refers to population. So if I want sample variance, I want the var.s. So I can double click it. It'll come up and we can put our range of data in there. I could type A1:A5, or I can click with my left mouse button over here on A1 and hold down on the left mouse button and drag down, and then I'll have A1:A5 typed in for me. And then I click OK, and that would be our sample variance.